guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is kind of just a little craft with me project share in the midst of a hot mess express train going full steam ahead. So I'm actually making this little box right here. This is like a caboodle, I feel like, with these little cascading, like, what is this called? I don't know. It goes like this, and then this lid comes off, and these come up, and then this lid goes on this. This is following Brittany, who is BBZ Crafts here on YouTube and on Instagram. She has a tutorial on how to make this thing. Literally, it's like a Craftboodle. And I'm just gonna decorate the top. I did stitch every single little panel, and then the lid, I did go ahead and make it a shaker. So I am using the Marigold collection by Maggie Holmes, the crepe paper. It does, this ephemera, you guys, is, I mean, these are huge. Look at this. This is the size of my hand. Like, a lot of these take up the entire front of these, but I did go ahead and, like, look at this flag, like how big does, but I did go ahead and stitch some of the ephemera pieces that I think I'm gonna use. I didn't really want to sew the vellum just because that would get ruined. Little chipboard piece that I've been dying to use. This little piece. This guy. This guy. You know what? I think I want to do some gold stitching on this if I can, but I want to layer it up on this box. I love the look of this. This says notes, but I'm definitely going to put it sideways. Trim some of these little hairs. Stitching hairs. You know what I should do is just loop some of this and glue it on. I wonder what that would look like. Okay, then this one's kind of like a little paint swatch. Sorry if you guys can hear my printer going crazy. Is this what? No, it needs to go this way. I do kind of like the look of this thread hanging out. I do want to add my deer on here. Actually, no, I'm gonna have to do him on top. I want to see that little notes part in pink. It's super cute. The deer's legs, at least the front legs, right? I don't know if I should stick this again underneath here. I don't know if I'm going to add this pink stuff. Then this little typewriter is so cute. So cute. Where's that other stitch piece I did? Beautiful. You know what? I feel like this color blends in too much with the legs. Well, I can always just put them over here. I think I could put them like that. And then I did want to go ahead and use some thickers. These are also from the collection. These are super, I love the look of these, like, they're like leaves, but a sticker. I don't know where I would put him. Somewhere behind this flower. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay, and what else? Maybe like little hearts randomly on the ephemera pieces. But I do want to add some depth to this because this is all just flat. Let me glue. I kind of, when I'm gluing majority of my stuff in the center, I do try to work some of the sequins down into the corners like this before I start gluing. That way you can kind of see some of the sequins so that your shaker hasn't completely gone to waste. Like so. Where's my, you know what? I have some scrap paper, little strip, and then do like almost like those accordion folds, you know, without doing the rosette. Okay, so I'll fast forward through this part. Okay, so I paper folded kind of like accordion, just folded it back and forth. I don't know where the heck this is gonna go. Somewhere right here. So I already forgot what I'm doing. Like this. Actually, this is gonna have to go on my top. Where's that flower? Maybe if I only do it on like a little section. Great, I don't know where this should go. Like that. This deer's gonna be up here because I did want his legs showing. Her legs. Why does that look funny? You know what? I do have some sewn strips. I wonder if this would work better. I did that. I like this looks better. I don't know if this is too thick. It's the pattern paper I chose. Old scraps. I'm trying to work with what I have. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it like that. Just a little bit of glue because I don't know where the heck this is gonna go. What I like to do is kind of just hold everything down because I never know where anything goes or can never place it exactly the same. I know his legs are gonna be covered up and you can't really see the hot glue, so I'm gonna stick it behind the bow. Okay, looking awfully plain. Right here, like this. Sorry guys, I'm kind of just a little crazy right here. Glue this down. I'm just gonna stick it on this end of the beautiful so that it's not like just hanging off the keyboard all wonky. Like the way that looks, so I'm gonna glue him down first. This one. Okay, it is looking cute. What did I do with that leaf thing? Probably should have stuck that leaf on before I started gluing stuff down. Okay, and then there'll be some hearts or other, like this flower. Well, I'm just gonna stick it right there. It looks cute peeping out. Oh, I really like these stickers. I should get more. Probably isn't anymore, huh? Oh, look how cute this, like, these leaf stickers are bringing it to life. So much. And then these little hearts. Cute little top. And then I do like to go through and add sequins randomly or nouveau drop. I don't have a sequin mix made, so I'm just going to use some of these clear ones. You can cover up some of your stitching errors. Even though that's what makes it like cute and unique, you know, but just in case it's bugging you. Okay, got some sequins on there. I didn't add a dangle or anything since this will be laying flat. And where'd that box go? So, ooh, it's heavy now. Now that this is on there. Look how cute. Okay, she goes down. Oh, I love the way that that looks. And I used flowers and the same pattern for the lid and the box down below. And then this one I did some of that mustard yellow polka dot with the swan on the top. Yes, and now I gotta glue down a little Made with Love craft purge. Oh wait, I think I did it upside down. Hot Mess Express. All right, I will catch you guys on the next crafty video, and I will leave Brittany's tutorial down below. Bye guys.